Jai Shri Ram. Vinashakale Viparita Buddhi. In the Chanakya Niti, you see this idiom Vinashakale Viparita Buddhi in the context of Raghunandana, Sri Rama. Chanakya Niti 16.5. Na nirmita kena drishtapurva. Na nirmita kena na drishtapurva na shruyate hemamayi kurangi. तथापि तृष्णा रघुनंदनस्य विनाशकाले विपरीत बुद्धि. None has ever created, seen or heard of a golden deer, yet the desire for it, to possess it, and Rama ran after it. When the time of doom, destruction approaches, the intellect becomes deluded. So this is the problem we all face in life, right? So Rama was not deluded. He was just trying to tell us, very indirectly, that as a human, you are likely to get deluded. Be careful, beware. Let's read it again. Na nirmita kena na drishtapurva na shruyate hemamayi kurangi tadhapi trishna raghunandanasya vinashakale viparita buddhi. Jai Shri Ram.